Hello guys, my name is Aljaim the Slimy. So today we're gonna play Strange Bird. I'm looking for Flappy Bird, not Strange Bird. Oh! I hate you, this dumb ton of Mario. Mario, why did you just play some stupid, whatever, stupid tunnels here. Mario just plays a lot of tunnels, so I died. Always being bad, Mario. I hate you. Seriously? You always kill me? Oh, I'm a unicorn. Ah! Why am I always hitting? Oh my god. This is boring. No! I hate you. Flappy Bird is being dumb. Ah! I'm getting angry. If I died here again and twice, I will cry. That's it. I'm gonna break some stuff if you just listen to me, you stupid bird. Ah! Gonna break this phone. Lord, give me some strength so I can win in this stupid Flappy Bird. What is bird that doesn't know how to fly? Oh my god. This bird always just crash. Come on, you dumb. What? I can't just see that tunnel. That's impossible there because the stupid unicorn head and the hat. Actually, can I just go in the tunnel instead of dying? Hit by the unicorn head. That's why I hate this unicorn. That's why I hate this skin of Flappy Bird or Strange Bird. You're just making this up. This is not even Flappy Bird. This is Joker Bird. Are you joking me? Come on. You got a Detective Bird and Santa Bird here. Give me some Christmas. Like, I know how to play this. Let's go, 5. No! That's it! Ah! Die! Don't try this at home. And don't play this game ever again! Ah! That's it for the